Be ready with the answer. First question. Sometimes when we do heavy exercise, anaerobic respiration takes place in our muscles. What is produced during this process? Alcohol, lactic, alcohol carbon dioxide, lactic acid carbon dioxide, and lactic acid only. Two answers, but with different option. Again, three answers with different option. Adi, first you do this. After this, I'll discuss what you want to ask. Okay? So first we will do revision. Answer is D. And I am having answer A from Natik, C from Chetna, and Divi, Rishabh, Nitya. They are correct. Next question. Yeast is used in wine and beer industries because it respires anaerobically producing oxygen, anaerobically producing alcohol. Where is Yashita? Why Yashita is not giving the answer? Anaerobically producing alcohol, anaerobically producing carbon dioxide. Okay, 4-5 students have same answer. Let's check. Yes, the correct answer is C. Question number 3. During the process of acceleration, the ribs move downwards and inwards, up and inwards, down and outwards, up and outwards. Again, there is a doubt in two answers. 4-5 students are saying A and 4-5 are saying B. The correct answer is A. So we need Chetna, read question beta properly, then give the answer. Question number 4. Breathing is a process that provides oxygen to the body, breaks down food to release energy, helps the body to get rid of carbon dioxide, produces water in the cell. Which of the following gives the correct combination of functions of breathing? First, second, third, first, third, second, fourth. ओके ठीक है, देखते हैं, बहुत से लोगों ने ऑप्शन सी बोला है. यस, गुड, सी ऑप्शन. Question number 5. Which are the gases involved in breathing? Oxygen, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, oxygen with ozone, and oxygen with carbon dioxide. Naitik, there is no F option. The correct option is D. Question number 6. Name the organ of the body in which the blood is oxygenated. Heart, lungs, liver. Sorry, the spelling of liver is wrong. Li is there. And the pancreas. Okay, see. Parsh option is A. Okay, but Vineet is saying B. Yes, the correct option is B. Name the organ of the body in which the blood is oxygenated. कहाँ से oxygenated blood आता है? तो lungs से आता है heart पे ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है? Read question. कुछ questions हैं जो confusion वाले हैं, create करते हैं, but read it. After heavy exercise, due to the accumulation of which substance we get muscle cramps? Malic, fumaric, lipoic, and lactic. ओके, एवरीवन इज गिविंग द सेम आंसर। देखते हैं सही है कि नहीं। यस, इट्स डी। गुड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Yeasts are used in wine and beer industry, bakery, in both, none of these. Vineet, don't give answer like this. Here, some are saying A and some are saying C. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. So, here you have options. I am giving you 1 minute. Trachea, lungs, lungs, trachea, nasal cavity, lungs, lungs, nasal cavity. Trachea, lungs. Okay. 10th question. Breathing rate in human beings in normal condition is 12 to 15, 15 to 18, 18 to 22, 22 to 25. Yes, the correct answer is B. Vineet, your maximum answers are wrong. Please beta, be careful. थोड़ा पढ़ो ध्यान से. Now you have next day's matchups. Correct. Naitik is correct. C. Matchups. एक एक करके नहीं भेजना है. मैं नहीं देखूंगी तुम लोगों का फिर. एक साथ भेजो. You are getting 3 minutes. 3 minutes में भेजिए. Yes, Yashita. I am noticing you write in chat box. Okay, you ask in last. Let us finish this. Then I will go to the question number 8. Yes, Maulik. Yes, Natik, I am noticing your answer. You got, I have passed, I have got your answer. Now I am showing you the correct answer. C. You have options C, E, A, B, D, G, F. So Parsh is correct. Chetna is correct. Sorry, Divi is correct. Parfure is correct. Naitik is correct. Yashita correct. Chetna is wrong. Divi, you are correct. Yes, Naitik, you are correct. So I have got 5-7 answers. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. But before going to the next question, you are having doubt in this. Question number 8. So Yashita and Maulik. Parsh. Huh, what is the doubt? Write in chat. It takes time to open everyone and you just raise your hand and asking. Write in chat, I am noticing. Yes, yeast is used in bakery. Huh, that is correct. Yeast is used in bakery. Yes, here it can be the answer C. But it not get be deleted. So here the answer will be C. Yes, the correct answer will be C here. But it is saved answer. So it will not be deleted. Or any doubt? Here the answer will be C. Any doubt to anyone? Okay, Ashita, clear? Parsh? Yes, Parsh.
Ma'am, I also had doubt in this.
Now it is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, very good. Now matchups completed. Fill-ups. First, in higher animals, respiration occurs through dash. Right number. Yes, Maulik, esophagus is also known as food pipe. Food pipe is English language and esophagus is biological term. So second, the food has dash which is released during dash. This is lungs, very good. And this is stored energy या respiration. Good, Yashita. और भी लोग मुझे आंसर दीजिए प्लीज. Only second answer I have got from Yashita. Third and fourth. Now I will not show answers if I will not get 7-5 students from this. 7-5 students का आंसर मुझे चाहिए. Yeast can survive in the absence of the air. They are called dash. The accumulation of dash causes muscle cramps. Okay, Divi has given the answer only for third and fourth. Parsh, Okay. Yashita. Natik. Which answer is this? Don't know. Rishabh has given the fourth answer. Okay. But what about the third answer? I want the answer for third and fourth both, not one answer. Okay, let's see the answer third. This is anaerobes and this is lactic acid. Okay. Question number fifth and sixth. The taking in of air rich in oxygen into body is called dash. Breathing involves the movement of the dash and the dash. Great. Inhalation, very good. And this is diaphragm and rib cage. Now you have true false. First, second. All living organisms respire to get energy from food. And second, cellular respiration takes place in the cells of all organisms. True? True. Good. Clap for everyone. It's true. Second, third and fourth. Muscles can also respire anaerobically. Fourth, during heavy exercise, the breathing rate declines. True? Yes, Natik. False. Good. Fifth, breathing involves the upward movement of the diagram. Breathing involves the upward movement of the diaphragm. The percentage of carbon dioxide is higher in exhaled air in comparison to the inhaled air. Sixth wala statement, read it carefully. The percentage of carbon dioxide is higher in exhaled air in comparison to inhaled air. So I've got the answer. Let me see. This is false and this is true. Now the last match true false is roots take up air from the air spaces present between the soil particles. Let's see. Yes, it's true. So this is for today's, only this much. 7 true false, 6 fill-ups, 7 matchups, and 10 MCQ. So can I know the total marks of everyone? Maulik said, so if we will total all, 10 plus 7, 17, 7 plus this fill-ups are 6, 23, and 23 plus 7 is 30. So you have 30 objectives today. Out of 30, how many of you have got complete 30 out of 30? Divi, okay. Parsh got 29. Yashita 30, great. Natik also. Maulik joined late, so sorry beta. Chetna 27, very good Chetna. और बाकी Rest of the students, Rishabh got 28. Vineet, you were joined from the beginning. फिर कैसे? Or in every class you are from the beginning. Why today you are late? Very good, Naitik. Always do hard work like this. Network issue, अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं. बट आपने जहां से ज्वाइन किया है आप उसी को टोटल कर लीजिए. अगर आपने 27th क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट किए हैं तो आउट ऑफ 27 आपको कितना मिला होगा ये चेक कर लो. अच्छा बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में अब हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का रिवीजन स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है? यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर इन चैट. I will give you 10 questions in 40 minutes class. आपको हर क्वेश्चन में 4 minutes मिलेगा. Either it is of 2-line question or a 4-line question, but you have to give the answer in chat. In my next period, when do you have my next period? Next week? Okay, tomorrow? Okay. क्योंकि मैंने तुम्हारे सारे MCQs करवा दिए हैं चैप्टर्स के. अगर कोई चैप्टर बच गया है तो बता दो, तो उसका MCQ हम कल कर लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीक से हम क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. ओके नैतिक, नेक्स्ट वीक इज ट्यूसडे ना? ट्यूसडे माय पीरियड इज देयर. तो ऐसा कोई चैप्टर बचा हुआ है याशिता जिसका रिवीजन नहीं हुआ है? यस मौलिक. मौलिक,
Yes, ma'am.
you raised hand.
Ma'am, you have. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have taken the revision of 10, 11, and 12, and nutrition in plants and animals.
और क्या बचा हुआ है? कुछ बचा है क्या MCQ में?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
सारे चैप्टर्स कंप्लीटेड फ्रॉम बायो?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके गुड. यस पीयूष. पीयूष,
मैम मैंने आपको दिया हूँ नोट्स, चैप्टर 1 और चैप्टर 2 क्वेश्चंस.
ठीक है. याशिता.
Ma'am, is the class over now?
Yes, now it's over.
Yes, ma'am. Can we leave?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Adi. Divi. Okay, fine, Divi. Yes, Adi.
Ma'am, can I give chapter 12 tomorrow?
No, I want all together today itself. I will not give more time now. Today till 3 p.m.
Ma'am, because I have